Hello friends, this is the new Huawei 5G CPE router. Let's do a quick review and a speed test on this device. So friends, this is the new Huawei 5G CPE router. I have skipped the unboxing part of this video. So I have connected this router to the power, and as you can see, it's showing the Wi-Fi, 4G and 5G signal. Once the router is switched on, you have to access this IP 192.168.8.1 from your favorite browser. Once this IP is accessed, you will be presented with some tools which you can use to test the coverage. This is the 5G coverage test link from the Huawei router. As you can see, I am getting a good 4G and 5G coverage. 5G coverage is actually better than the 4G coverage I am having at the moment. So this is my coverage test and I have 80 score. So now our 5G router is on and we are getting a very good 5G score for the coverage. Now let's do some speed test. So as first thing, I'm using the fast.com speed test, which is provided by Netflix. And the good thing about this is this is directly testing your internet speed against the Netflix servers. So you will get a clear and accurate result from fast.com. So currently we are getting 410 Mbps as the download speed. So it's always recommended to do a speed test from fast.com because it will be giving you an accurate result. Now let's move on to our speedtest.net site and let's do a speed test from there. So as you can see here, most of the time your download speed is around 400 or 410 Mbps, but when it comes to the upload speed, it's most of the time it's very less, like you are getting a 20 Mbps or 30 Mbps maximum. So remember, earlier we did speed test on fast.com against the Netflix servers, then we did a local speed test through speedtest.net. Now we are selecting the US server from the selected speed server list. Then let's see how much we are going to get. Yeah, we got around 158 Mbps when we are testing against the US server. This will be like directly connecting from my current location to US server. It will be slow. It will. This is expected. So there's nothing big on this. So let's do an upload speed test on fast.com. So as you can see here, also you are getting a less speed when it comes to upload speed test. You are getting only 22-23 Mbps. That's it. So with this Huawei 5G router, I tried to play a couple of YouTube videos which is in 4K, and I selected HD as the quality. Then if I see, I can just move the cursor and as quickly playing the video when I'm moving to another timeline on this video. So it was really quick when it was on HD, and also thumbnail is so fast. So if I select the video quality to 4K, yes, it is taking a little bit time to play the video, but once it starts playing in 4K, then it never stops. You can see that it's just taking some time, but once the video started playing in the 4K, it's just keep on playing. It's not buffering at all. So this was the quick review on Huawei CPE 5G router, and I have the Zain connection for the 5G network, and this was really cool. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please like it, and if you didn't like the video, please unlike it. And if you want to see this kind of videos again, please subscribe to the channel, and also you can head to our Facebook page, which is Techcake in, and you can like the page to get new notification about the new videos. So thanks again. So see you in the next video.